Welcome to the channel on the surf. Here is the family, Sandra, Hector and Jack. My name is Jimmy and we are the family that lives on the surf. I think I finally found it. The ultimate first beginner boat. It's not good on basically anything, but you can do everything in it. And the price is, you know, compared to what else, it's quite good. Here you could put, you know, those simple single burner stoves. There's some kind of small sink. Quite easy access up to the anchor storage, where you can put the dock lines and stuff like that. One hatch for good ventilation. And in here it's actually so you can sleep, two grown-ups, quite comfy in here. Good one-way see-through hatch. Get a lot of light in. Port lights on the side. Oh, they are solid. Can't open them. But we actually had this in one of our previous boats. It was a Sunbird 194. We had the same setup, and it's here. You come in, and underneath here you can have a small what do you call them, porta potty toilets. So yeah, one small, just put in that porta potty, get one burner propane stove, and buy an what do you call them, 12 volt fridge freezer boxes. Then you are good to go. And the seating area is quite big actually. It's an AMT, and I don't know so much about that brand, so I can't say so much about it, but I think this is a really nice boat, and it's made in Finland, so normally the stuff that's made in Finland, it's good quality, so I guess this is as well. And yeah, you can easily sit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people in the sofa. Then you have 2 chairs, and you can spin them around, so then you have 2 more seats and a big table in the center, and then you are good to go. So, and yep, the freeboards are high enough from the water to feel safe, but low enough to help with the seasickness. The closer to the surface you are, the harder it is to get seasick. So this is a really good combo, I think. And it's enough headroom to be able to stand up straight. So yeah, it checked the boxes. So have a look on this. If it was just me and Sandra going to buy our first boat, I think this is a good contester. Yeah. So if you're a couple that's just looking for a boat for the weekends, check this one out. Let's see what else we can find.